Okay, we're at the KOA holiday. They're building a resort. Ontario, Canada. Yeah, we're not taking any calls from Canada. They're building the resort here. Vacation Suites. Nice motorhome sites in here. Looks like they'll all accommodate a 44-footer. Might not fit your car though. This would be the marina. But what is? Oh, yeah. Nice boat ramp. I'm gonna take a look at the boat ramp. Pretty cool. Boat ramp. Kayaks. Rentals. Got a little bit of everything. Pretty cool. A little bit of everything there. We just passed the Tiki Bar. You're gonna get good satellite reception wherever you're at, because there's nothing blocking you. Nice Diplomat, holy smokes. They got some nice motor. Did you see that Diplomat?
Yeah.
Man. Yeah, it was shiny. Look, somebody's detailing over there. Oh, watch yourself here. We got a car in tow. Car in tow and ready to go. Nice little scooter. I seen that. Tennessee tuxedo will not fail.
Yeah, that was a nice blue monocle.
I know.
I wonder what year that was.
Look, they're planting trees. I'm gonna go down every street and then I'm gonna do it again. It's a cool rib. Okay, we have a decision to make. Left or right? Man, them are some nice fancy patios. Too cool. You see that? They all got patios.
Yeah.
That's sweet. I know, check this out. 415. I like it. That's a handicap site. Pretty good one. And they're cruising right along. Living on Key West time. done here finally. Let's see. Did I go through here yet? Don't. Yeah, I think I did it first. 505, 506. Oh, there's a Airstream. Cool. I like that one too. There's an older Monaco. It's pretty cool. Good shape.
Looks like Momo's.
Yeah. Kind of fun looking at all the campers. There's another campsite. That's a good one too. Just pull on through. I'll pretend I'm a motorhome. Wow. Oh, it's another handicap. That's why it's got so much brick. Cool. Nice little beach. Saltwater playground. Yep. Okay, that's the pool and such in there. We're back to the marina and the boat ramp. What's that? Yeah. Wow. Look how much further behind they are here. I didn't know that this is a number 2. I didn't realize that it was going to be like that. That's pretty cool. Howdy.